We can help you quickly increase your ACT or SAT score for free. Here's how. Head over to our Star Tutors YouTube channel where you can see real ACT and SAT tests taken in real time. And because we are tutors, there are also a ton of free resources which share our methods, tips, and tricks on how to improve your scores. These tests don't have to be something you dread. We've already helped thousands of students raise their scores, and we want to help you too. New videos are added weekly, so be sure to subscribe and keep us posted on your progress in the comments. Good luck, and we hope to see you soon.